Certainly. Here are some distinguishable features of pigeons. Pigeons are also called rock dove. 1. Compact and stocky body. Pigeons have a compact and stocky body shape, with a rounded chest and short legs. This body structure allows them to be agile and maneuver easily, both on the ground and in the air. 2. Feathers and coloration. Pigeons have soft feathers that come in a variety of colors and patterns. While the most common color is gray, pigeons can also have variations of white, black, brown, and even iridescent feathers. Some pigeons also have distinct markings on their wings or neck. 3. Small head with a cere. Pigeons have a small head with a fleshy, protruding area called the cere. The cere is located at the base of the beak and is typically a different color than the rest of the head. In males, the cere is usually brighter and more vibrant than in females. 4. Strong wings and flight. Pigeons have strong wings that allow them to fly swiftly and maneuver through the air. They are excellent flyers and can cover long distances. Pigeons also have a unique flight style characterized by rhythmic wingbeats and occasional gliding. 5. Beak and crop. Pigeons have a short, stout beak adapted for feeding on seeds, grains, and small fruits. They also have a specialized organ called the crop, which is an enlargement of the esophagus. The crop allows pigeons to store food temporarily before digestion. 6. Cooing sound. Pigeons are known for their distinctive cooing sound, which is produced by inflating their esophagus and expelling air. The cooing sound is often associated with courtship and communication between pigeons. 7. Homing instinct. Pigeons have a remarkable homing instinct, which means they can find their way back to their home or roost from great distances. This ability has been utilized by humans for centuries, particularly in pigeon racing and messenger pigeon roles. These are some of the key features that make pigeons easily distinguishable and fascinating birds.